Hello, this is the National Weather Service in Seattle with the weekly weather briefing for Western Washington. This briefing is for the period from May 8th through the 12th. Here's the overview. The stretch of warm and dry weather continues across Western Washington thanks to a strong upper-level ridge over the region. At the surface, low-level onshore flow will prevail, leading to late night and morning clouds. The stratus will erode during the afternoon hours for mostly sunny skies, especially across the interior. But with high pressure aloft and plenty of sunshine in the afternoon, temperatures will continue to run about 5 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. The stretch of mild weather will continue through at least Friday, but a pattern change will bring wet and cooler weather back to Western Washington this weekend. Here's a look at the current infrared satellite image along with the 500 millibar height contours. This image shows the upper level ridge right over the Pacific Northwest, where it's been nearly stationary over the past several days. This ridge will remain over the region through Friday. This is the visible satellite, highlighting the low clouds or stratus across western Washington lowlands. Low clouds will be prevalent over the next several days due to onshore flow, but we should see the clouds eroding back to the coast during the afternoon hours. The stratus will mainly affect the coast, but we could see some low clouds in the interior during the morning hours. Notice the mountains sticking up over the clouds. It'll be sunny and warm in the Olympics and Cascades as well. Here are the forecast high temperatures for Thursday and Friday. Highs will run about 5 to 15 degrees above normal for the region. The interior will see afternoon temperatures in the 70s each day, maybe reaching the lower 80s in spots on Friday. The coast will remain cool and in the mid-50s to lower 60s. But a pattern change will bring wet and cooler weather back to western Washington over the weekend. On Saturday, the upper level ridge will finally shift east of the Cascades while a cold front advances from the west. Saturday is mainly dry, but we could see an increase in clouds. Rain will develop Saturday night as the front reaches the coast and then moves inland. By Sunday, the front is over the region for rain across the region. This is the GFS model valid at 18Z Sunday or 11 a.m. in the morning. This will be the first sight of precip since late April. Notice the high temperature forecast on Sunday. Highs are back in the lower to mid 60s, closer to normal for early May. Overall, the impacts over the next several days are low. This is fairly benign weather pattern through Saturday, but with warm conditions, the rivers will continue to run cold, high, and fast due to snowmelt runoff. So remember your boater safety or water safety rules. In summary, warm and dry weather will continue through Saturday with temperatures remaining above normal. A pattern change will bring rain and cooler weather back to western Washington Sunday through early next week. Here's a list of common resources, all found on our webpage at www.weather.gov/Seattle. Thanks.